arrest Matthias. Akuzayon, get in here. Akuzayon, obulonu go awuwa. Oweri ifi wenu wije mono. Okwa fondi kwete no ogwa bife arrest Matthias because mu we kwetelo. Owezelu ndi kweteria is okay. Ina arrest Matthias no melu gene. Afulum ihe a na-edegasi na page. Ga-abịaru page this man for the first time. Fundi sili na Matthias na-anụsa Chukwu ọgụ. Matthias ọ na-anụsa Chukwu ọgụ. Na mmadụ si gị na Jesus abụlo Chukwu. Na Chukwu edidighi ịmụ nwa. Na Chukwu edi amụ nwa. Na Chukwu edidighi ịmụ nwa to save this world. Na one wee bidoro na Adam and Eve bullshit. Na Igbos with their own creation story. N'ụwa ndị Igbo wara awa. Mmadụ siri gị na kedu ndị na-aza ekpele ndị na-ekpelu Krishna na ọ bụrụ na Jesus bụ the name above every other name, what of thousands of other religion na-agba ha kpe ekpele aza ha? Kedu onye na-aza ekpele ha? Ndị na-ekpe in the name of Krishna na receive answers to their prayer. Ndị na-ekpe in the name of Odin na receive answers to their prayer. Ndị na-ekpe in the name of Thor na receive answers to their prayer. Ndị na-ekpe in the name of Buddha na receive answers to their prayer. Na ọ bụrụ na Jesus na-aza ekpele and no no mami what na aza ekpele. Hello, before you say no, it's not by me what I am not here to reference any part. No bule to ahu ka odi. No bule ni ti you begin at something ni ya hi na to ni ga wait here. Na thoughts are things, na thoughts are alive. Unu to hele na Matthias na no sa Chukwu ogu. Matthias na no sa Chukwu ogu no sile unu. Nunu kwesi ihe unu na eme na ba anyị. Na odi ho mma. No ya hụ na ya si duji unu ọgwụ na atụgharị ya na Matthias na anụsa Chukwu ọgwụ ọfụrụ Chukwu ebe akụbig ọgwụ a bụ Chukwu Matthias na anụsa ọgwụ ka ọjọọ mmadụ nakata ụtọ na-agagharị na-atụ onye ọ ga-apres. Ọ bụrụ na iwe ego na-akpa gị ka iwie ụwa kịta anụwa don't care who you are, what you have, what you don't have. Among the essence of hype. When we want to hype people for their impact in society, not because of what they have for themselves. Ijide Matthias. Look at how famous people have made Matthias. I put it to you, Akubi Gnife Bobo. Destiny helper Matthias. Come and pick all of us one after the other. You will tire. You can make it arrest. You can go get. You now arrest Matthias. No say again. If people destiny. Or to be arrest Matthias. All of the people now know Matthias. When was them here? Can if he achieve Rime? It says that Ebuka Obi in the bad light. And the mad was there worse than it to face Afuvia before. Yes, then they mad loophole I get is when I can't call you. Yes. Ajubazaya, why didn't you bragadosh? Why didn't you kabash? Why the arrest? Because no yawa can get put here on. On a day like this, and I buggy. Bia, nay game. He said, what do you imagine against Matthias? Matthias had to go too big for this. Matthias Bitolomen and Abuz Ezoku gathering. Less than 1 year. Where were that kind of congregation? In Aju Matthias or Ebuka Obi na beha. Matthias is bigger than everything Ebuka Obi will ever be. Kedim Ebuka Obi bido. I get the why I come on a secondary school Ebuka Obi bido. Now 70-year-old woman like me. Kedim bido no Ebuka Obi. Matthias just started. Matthias and I feel no good. Do you know that na Matthias no in position he take advantage? Manojulu. People are gullible. Matthias bido kita sin on olive oil or water or this or that. People will still buy. But Matthias chose uprightness upon where he is in the society. Mumbai don't know why he must love themselves. He must love themselves. Matthias may go more miracle than all of these reverend fathers, all of these bishops, all of these pastors put together. Matthias now practice what he preach. Oh yeah, Hunado, take him to hospital. Every single person that come in contact with Matthias took that person to hospital. If I say Matthias in Nigeria, will somebody like Ebuka Obi na beer. Him out there fear how oppressed our people. You are there. You might demoralize who Matthias. You are his destiny helper. You have taken him to where he ought to be in life. You have taken him to actual public space. Maybe he was managing virtual public space, virtual audience until you announced him. Because this your arrest announced him local and international. So they keep picking all of us because we will not stop talking. Why will we stop talking? You think this era is era ogabo? If you know people you are doing giveaway, you go there and go and show them what an affluence. Go in and mellow that thing. Fellow, let my people go. Kafaja worship their own chi in their own land. And Nazan before you lie about okay, before you lie and Igbo. Ndi Igbo magoro chuku before Jesus obia. Ndi Igbo decide this na faga na ha chukulu chuku nke ha ma before Jesus abia. Oppression sin ihe oppression sin azu. Matthias be miracle worker. I still unu provide do for miracle unu megolu. Ka yin chezu eke. Ka yin melu na ebe a ka ọ na-eme. Instead of providing miracle, emebe arrest. Ọ na-abụ eme arrest gị na-eme. Onye gwa gị na arrest na-emechi eziokwu. Do you know how many people have been coming out to die for the truth? Emma, that the truth is alive. Emma, the truth to be seed once planted in the heart of people, it continues to germinate. As we are speaking now, there were thousands of Matthias rising up. There were people who will do more exploits than Matthias. Nobody natural Matthias. I have here. And I share videos of Ndi Omenala. God forbid. Yogibiko for what? For announcing Matthias, or for taking him to the public circle, for taking him from virtual to actual. Yogibiko for what, one? Take Matthias to court. As in, only in Nigeria. Only in Nigeria. You were international and Gabasi. Are there no people in that country who didn't criticize Ebuka Obi? Or you go and arrest them now? Critics are out there against the law. Is it unlawful to criticize somebody? Somebody singing only for Ili Ji that warrior. If he can maybe go say an on warrior, that person will turn around and speak good of you. It's not him arrest. You arrest him, or proof God only for you na warrior. Arrest him, make it or make a camera confuso. Arrest him, make it and what does he bring it to the table? I didn't know na oppressing mother. I'm not a respecter of person. I didn't know mother. I talk with me. I talk with my boy Mapulako. I jeba Jess. I don't know. God there. Can do the boy and cano. Okay. Oh, go up on Chukunu Matthias and I fight. Then I say Matthias and I fight. Are you God? Did you become God? To who? Can I criticize other people's religion? Not the Christian. These ones I say, can you know back to back? You know be the arrest. Nka okay, me bo mmadụ ka ogini. Nka be sure of gini, sure that Jesus Christ cannot. If Jesus could. If only that na Jesus could. Reality has hit on mechalo fancha. No man mechalo fancha, no police be fe mechalo hancha. Reality has hit on mechalo hancha. Let Matthias go, let him go and worship his own chi in his own land. Then I say that na Matthias, Matthias said this up. Matthias was a spiritualist. Matthias said believe on a spirituality. Matthias says he go away somewhere. As at the days of old, so that they don't backslide back to the church. He's not a spiritual person. Matthias said well agwu, or when the labor promote spirituality, he is just on his own, fighting for the cause of Igbo Land. And I said God has left him. He said that now reality has left. Or when if Matthias see what German, Matthias has said not the rocket. Or say you don't will Igbo Bogo. Or say you know well ala baka. Cause you know well Ika baka. Kill the oppression be here now. Why are you people like this? Or Christians kai best was there? Is the only Christians to be here with? This Zion and Ekuoku. Zion be fair big. Kochandi di bianine. I said okay, it is like this. You're many cultural Muslim. You are in a country where you can where other religion exists. Or Bruce also Ndi Igbo. Or Bruce I said okay, let us return the energy. Is there any game arrest? Come and pick me. And the other people, because people will continue talking. The more you arrest people, the more people come out and speak. People will not stop speaking. Here have the era of truth. Hear this and no peace. That you cannot silence the truth, no matter how you try. Now, as long as Igbo Land is concerned, nobody amezoku, nobody melezoku, naka azo there. Mamu dear be and canoa. Every time Christian. He can cap power, let's power. These things are inventions of Christian. Obani power, let's power. These things are invention. Only Christian power, be powerful power. Out of thousands of other religion. Every single time, if people are trying to choose for people who to... People you are calling unbeliever are also calling you unbeliever. For you don't believe in my own, I don't believe in your own. Na chukwu adi amunwa. Hello? If also give me... Ndi Igbo adi affect chukwu because chukwu need imunwa. Jesus is not chukwu. Otobu no shewe go na you sabi. Jesus is not gini chukwu. Jesus will never be chukwu. Never go to Ndi Igbo say me ihe. Ichori inabataria. No bulo Jesus na ze ekpele ndi Muslim. No bulo Jesus na ze ekpele umu Krishna. No bulo Jesus na ze ekpele. No bulo in the name of Jesus. No bulo in the name of Jesus. Other religion will not receive answers to their prayer. I am telling you today. Now man is seeking for the divinity anyhow. Man, the soul of man is longing for divinity. If I had the beyond Jesus Christ bullshit. The soul of man is longing for divinity. Every single day, Christians are becoming Muslims. Every single day, Christians are joining Indian religion and all that. Are you not aware? Then every traditional person by church, Abula na mmadụ sị gị na ịdị agwọ ọrịa na Jesus had agwọ ọrịa ihe ị ga-eme bụ ịkpọpụta a real person with real sickness with real medical history agwọ ya ha ya afụ ya onye ọbụla ezuo ike asị na Jesus na agwọ ya ishi ebe a with seraphic or whatever water ihe ị ga-eme bụ ịkpọpụta onye ọgwagoro asị okay na report oya na ụlọ ọgwụ ya na-anabu treatment o wee beze ebe a Jesus gwa ya ka a malụzie na ụlọ ọgwụ adọzi valid kedu the essence of this trouble. No, Oliver, you cannot. Is it that Oliver you can show where he did it? You want to go to court? Go to court. Go and prove to Matthias that Niheni you know Kulubashi. I'm on Facebook. Go and add a major mother. Obligated never ever Matthias is to a major nulo. You been it about police or go away police. The nation is in your hand. Maniga fokwa. Omenala to the world. You have announced him. More branches. How many years Ebuka Obi in ministry? Just give Omenala 5 years. Imifebu overtake them. Matthias has been anointed to overtake by Indembu and Degade. Obokwe Hanoa. Less than 1 year. Madu Juno Ordinana Center. Are you not amazed? Has that ever happened before? Can the pastor have a church less than 1 year? You did Matthias not compare. Matthias not in position now to begin to defraud people. He said no. For saying no, at least we stand by him for saying no. You first be careful because God is not a respecter of persons. Who promised all of us tomorrow? Can you feel we German? Oh, my beard, now I get this word.